guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Ubagangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. After 2 weeks of consistent campaigning on all 5 TUT campuses, MK Party has done extremely well, considering this was their first year. Soshanguve campus, MK won 3 seats. Rand campus, MK won 2 seats. Garankuwa campus, MK won 2 seats. Polokwane campus, MK won 1 seat. In Bombela campus, MK won 2 seats. MK has won a total of 10 seats. Umkhonto Wesizwe Party has done very well. An organization of only 9 months, it has shaped South African politics. EFF, on the other hand, won 12 seats. SASCO won 14 seats. For me, it was Ugodoli. He played a major role on the ground campaigning for Umkhonto Wesizwe Party.
Phatha mkhonto, ophatha ungayeki.
Comment down below on these TUT results. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.